welcome to today's 60-second update. It's the 28th of July. Just doing this in the UK time, and you can see the DAX on the daily. I've got this fire line here at just under the 13,000 mark. We held up yesterday and we came back down to test this key fib area on the DAX. So if we come out of this funnel pattern to the downside, then this is potentially coming all the way down to 12,000. Also, if you look at indicators, if you're a fan of indicators, I like the MACD. MACD is very divergent. So we're running out of momentum up here and we're below the midline. So since we've dropped late last week, the highs are potentially shortable. Levels to watch, this is the 2-hour chart, and 950 was key. That was overnight. If we get any pullback to 850 now, let's see if we can at least drop to 12.6 and 12.5. Dow index on the daily chart, and you can see that the pink zone is up here at 27,150, and we again held up yesterday. They held it up and found some resistance. If this fails this week, that's a massive week. We've got Apple, Amazon reporting on Thursday, US GDP on Thursday, and Fed a couple of hours before the close on Wednesday. So it's a massive day. So I'm expecting a lot of chop. I'm expecting this to be range bound, and whichever way we break out of this is potentially going to give us direction for this market. And those levels are 350 and 700, give or take a few pips. So let's drill down to the 2-hour chart, and you can see that we've already come into support in this European period at 460. We've got this resistance up here at 923. So any spike into this area here is potentially shortable. So we've had a 1, 2, 3 wave push to the downside. A 4 wave into this resistance area could generate a 5 down to 26,000 and possibly lower. Okay, so let's see what we get. I mean, it could be we don't even get up there, but what might happen is on Fed day I think we might wander around, get a little spike higher, and then if we consequently go into that area and then come out again, that's a potential scenario for the short. Otherwise, if we short here, then if we drop down here, then start shorting 460, 500 if we come down here and find ourselves pushing back up. All right, let's see what we get, but I'll be back with you tomorrow for another 60 seconds.